Exactly what everybody was worried about is what's starting to happen. Overnight, Asian central banks taking action and in most cases surprising, going way beyond what people thought. Take a look over here in the corner. The white line, the Bank of Thailand, they weren't supposed to move at all. They go 25. Bank of India surprises everyone with a 35 basis point cut. And then the Bank of New Zealand sends its benchmark rate down 50 basis points. Quite a surprise. Everybody concerned about what this means for the world. And before we go on to the next chart, let me show you one thing quickly. Follow me over here. This is where we were when we came out of the recession. We're way down now, so there's a lot less room for these banks to cut if they have to do more. And they may have to do more if currency wars are heating up. And that's what we're kind of seeing. You can see the Kiwi and the Australian dollar. Australia on hold, but they're down in sympathy. They're at their lowest in years as currencies plunge because these banks are cutting rates, except for Japan. The white line, Japan, as Alex mentioned, the only safe haven. What are they going to do about the yen? It's really going to hurt their economy if something doesn't change. They don't have a lot of scope for movement, nor do other central banks in the biggest central banks in the world, because we're way down below where we were. This is where we were going into the last recession, and they cut rates sharply. But now here's where we are. The Fed has the most room at 225, but we're not even in recession yet. What's the Fed, Bank of England, Bank of Japan, and the ECB going to do? QE is coming, it appears, if we hit recession or even just before that in a big way, because there's nothing else left.